fish, but I'm not a leprechaun. You wanna fight, then step up and we'll get it on. You get it right to the grill, I'm white tonight.
Alright, here comes the first test of the Tesla Coil with the addition of a moderately sized quartz crystal to enhance the electrical ability and dissemination of electrons, which should, for all intensive purposes, light up this light bulb instead of this small LED lights. This should generate enough power to do that. Let's check it out. Quartz crystal, everything's good. And it does. Looks like it has a reach of about 60 millimeters. Very impressive. I'm curious if it can light up too. Let's see. Wow. Equally, both have about a 60 millimeter proximity to the actual coil that it will generate enough electricity to light them both up. Not bad. Closer it gets, the brighter it gets. Pretty cool.
Homeboy, you get clown like Krusty. Trust me, you shouldn't play.